Today we are going to be learning how to make this shoe here. So let's start. I'm going to use this orange color and also black, and we are going to come up with something that looks exactly like this. So this is what I do. So I'm going to roll this yarn on my finger here. I'm rolling it 20 times, so we are counting. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and then 20. So after rolling it 20 times, you're going to use this small side of the hook. It is 1 millimeter, and then you put it inside like this. After that, you're going to pull this yarn that is here. Yes, you pull this using the hook, and then it has to pull this, and then it has to come through here, and then you tighten this like this here. You pull it again inside, and then you tighten it here. So we are making the single crochets as we are pulling it inside like that, here like this, and then you make that single crochet. We do it again. So after making sure that it is now tight, it cannot move out, you're going to remove it from the finger. So you now remove it from the finger. Hope you can see how it looks like. This is it. So we are now going to continue with our single crochet all around. You make sure you're careful to have everything done neatly. So you make sure you cover all this yarn, and that's what we are doing. I don't know how many single crochets I need to make, but what I know is I have to cover everything. You single crochet until everything is covered inside. Now I've reached the end. I'm remaining with like 1 or 2. Yeah, this is enough. Now I close with a slip stitch here, and then I make that one chain. So this is what we have. Hope you can see this. Yes, this is what we have. Then after that, I'm going to cut off this yarn, and then I switch to black. So this is it. So this is one of these, so we need many of these. Here I made 1 2 3 4. Yeah, these are 4 on this, and then this makes it 5. So we need to make 5 of these, but before we do that, let's first add the black color here and we see how it comes out. So I come up with my black like this. Remember, I've been making it like this the other time, but now I'm switching and I'm going to turn this work like this, and then I'm starting from exactly where I stopped is where I'm going to start making single crochets all around. So this is what I do. Then we are going to single crochet around this. So we've come to the end here, then we join with a slip stitch. And then we make 1 chain. So this is what I have, but like I said, I need 4 of these to come up with something like this here. So what I'm going to do, I already have my others made here. This is the second one, the third one, and then the fourth one. So I'm going to put them together now, and this is what I do. I get this and also get this one here. And I add them together like this. Again, we add with a single crochet. So, and then I make that one chain to fasten it, and then this is what we have here for the first one. After adding it here like this, I'm going to cut off this yarn. I cut it here, and then I add another one. I bring another one like this and add it here because we want to make something straight. So I bring this and add it here. So this is it also here. I chain one. I'll cut off these other remainings later. Now I'm adding the last one, this one here. I put it here again and cut and join together. Sorry, today let me join from this way. So this is also like it here. I think I joined it from far. Let me extend a bit like here. So hope you've now got the idea of how to join this. So this is it. Now I cut off this yarn. After that, I'm going to also cut these remainings and then I band them so that they don't open. So I'm done cleaning it and polishing it properly. Now I'm going to go to the next step, and in my next step I'm going to start right from here, and I'm going to make single crochets around. Sorry about all the noise. So we are going to start from here and make single crochets. So let's continue making single crochets around here, and let's meet after that. I'm done making the single crochets around. Now I'm going to work on these sides. There's a side that has to hold the fit the other side, and also one that has to hold it this side. So I'm still making single crochets from here. So I'm stopping here, and then I chain one and turn the work again. Also I do the same thing this side. I chain one and turn my work. So you keep doing this until you get the size of the strap that you need. You chain one again and turn. So now you see what we have. So that's what we do, and then we finish. Thank you so much. This part I'm working on is this one that is going down here. So you keep doing that until you get the size that you want. Thank you for being part of this channel. Thank you for whoever that has subscribed, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any videos. Like and comment, also share. Thank you so much, and also you can give me an idea of what you want next. Thank you so much. Be blessed. Love you.